We will guide you through how to change t-shirt color to white in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and load the photo or project containing the t-shirt you want to recolor. Once the image is open, select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar and use it to select the entire t-shirt. Make sure the selection includes all of the fabric you want to turn white. With the t-shirt selected, create a new adjustment layer and choose Hue/Saturation. This allows you to change the shirt color while keeping the original image available for editing. In the Hue/Saturation settings, reduce saturation to -100 so the existing color is removed from the selected shirt. Next, increase lightness gradually until the t-shirt becomes white. Continue adjusting the lightness until the shirt has the brightness you want, then fine-tune it so details such as texture, shading, and fabric variations remain visible. After the color change is complete, check the edges of the t-shirt for any unwanted color that may still be showing around the selection. Look carefully around the sleeves, collar, and sides, where the original color can sometimes remain. If you find missed areas or parts that were selected accidentally, refine the selection until the adjustment affects only the t-shirt. Once the selection looks clean, zoom out and check the overall result from a normal viewing distance. Make sure the white color looks consistent and does not appear too bright or unnatural compared with the rest of the photo. Pay special attention to the shadows and folds in the fabric, because they should remain visible and help keep the t-shirt looking three-dimensional. When everything looks correct, save the edited project as a PSD file so the adjustment layer and editing information remain available.